Welcome to vConnect, the digital platform for the feed-to-food industry. Get ready to master the platform using this short tutorial. Step 1. Register and create your profile. You'll be hosting new and existing clients at your company's digital booth, so make it yours. A welcome email with a direct link to your company account will reach your admin, who, on your behalf, will edit contact details, enter profile info and interests, register staff members, and invite clients. Remember, vConnect's AI algorithm suggests the most relevant profiles based on your inputs, so be as accurate as possible when creating your online profile. Step 2. Log in and complete the profile. Once registered, click on Login. Go to Edit Profile. Choose the Product and Brochure tab, and add product media and downloadable brochures. Use the Upgrade Profile section to enhance your platform presence. Shop and pay on vConnect itself. Before heading to Step 3, let's take a look at vConnect's key interface features. The main menu is on your left. At any time, click Dashboard to find highlights and interesting profiles suggested by the AI algorithm. The Exhibitor list shows every supplier in attendance. Filter through them by sector, region, and more. Confirm your filters by pressing Apply or remove filters by crossing them. The Meet Match Network tab guides you to individual attendee profiles. All scheduled sessions can be found on the Live Sessions/Program tab, organized by date and time. At the virtual lounges, you will find group discussions arranged by topic and theme. Organize your own work with the My Message, My Calendar, and My Favorites tabs. Step 3. Ahead of the event, schedule your own agenda. On Meet Match Network, select your best filtered matches and select Request a Meeting. You'll then be able to send a message. Once the event starts, your confirmed meetings will be held one-on-one via vConnect's video function. Use Live Sessions to reserve your seat for e-conferences. You'll be notified when sessions are approaching. If you are interested in any of the virtual lounges, fit them into your agenda similarly. Once at the lounge, use the video, chat, and microphone features to interact with available profiles. Check how your 3-day schedule looks. Happy with it? Congratulations! You are set to find the right business partners for new growth. Not there yet? Keep scheduling until you're satisfied. Step 4. Engage in the event. When the event goes live, you'll have 3 days real-time access to all booked activities. Need help during the event? Look to the right side panel and use the Request Help function. See you on vconnect.net.